Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use an OVA file in VirtualBox. First, launch VirtualBox on your computer. Navigate to the File menu located at the top left of the application window. From the drop-down options, select Import Appliance. This action will open a new wizard, guiding you through the process of bringing your virtual machine into VirtualBox. After selecting your OVA file, the Import Appliance wizard will present you with a summary of the virtual machine settings. Take a moment to review these details, including the virtual machine's name, the operating system it uses, and the allocated amount of RAM. You can modify these settings, such as increasing the number of CPU cores or adjusting network adapter types, to better suit your host system's capabilities and your specific requirements. Once you are satisfied with the appliance settings, click the Import button to initiate the process. VirtualBox will then begin extracting and configuring the virtual machine from the OVA file. This operation can take several minutes, depending on the size of the OVA file and the speed of your computer's hardware. A progress bar will be displayed, showing you the current status of the import, so you can monitor its completion. After the import is complete, your newly added virtual machine will appear in the left-hand panel of the VirtualBox Manager. Simply select it from the list and click the Start button to power it on. The virtual machine will then boot up in its own separate window, ready for you to use. For an enhanced experience, remember to install VirtualBox Guest Editions within the virtual machine's operating system.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.